Hey guys, thanks for joining in. So today I'm going to be talking about a hitch extender. So the reason why you need one of these is if you have a overland vehicle like mine with a larger tire here, the hitch is actually not going to be able to support a bike rack. So you need a hitch extender. This is a 2-inch extender and it actually extends out to another 7 inches so that you're actually able to put a tire carrier on it. The one I'm going to be talking about is a HITOW hitch extender. I got it on Amazon. I'll put a link below so that you can take a look at it if you guys are interested in this. But I'll go ahead and show you guys what I'm using it for, and hopefully this helps you find a solution to your bike problems. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys how to install this. This is a pretty sturdy bit. It's about 7 pounds, so it's quite heavy duty, and it has a rating of 3,500 pounds. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy installed. I'm just going to throw it onto the original hitch. I have a Tiger pin mount with a lock. And once that's installed, now, as you can see with the 7-inch extension, it allows for the bike rack to actually sit on there with enough clearance so that I can use it. Prior to that, I was not able to use either the tire carrier or the bike rack. So this is a simple solution to get that thing to work. And if you guys are interested in a video on how the bike rack works, I'll go ahead and drop a link below. I hope this helps you guys as far as a solution to this problem that I had. Thanks for watching, and make sure you guys hit subscribe.